did cockatiel claim?
ไปเห็นเรา
The hare and the tortoise were finding. The hare and the tortoise decided to run a race. The hare told the tortoise that you are a slow fellow. You can't win a race with me. The race began. After a while, the hare took a nap. The tortoise moved on and reached the winning post before the hare got up. Little Jack owner sat in the corner eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumbs and put the plum and say, what a good boy am I.
เราจะ traffic light
Red light, what do you say? I say, stop,
Good
stop,
time.
run away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean, wait, till the light goes